Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open hidden service menu of Samsung TV by entering a secret code. Here you can do many settings like factory reset, HDMI settings, Wi-Fi settings and many more. So first of all, power it off from the remote. Then press the following secret code. Info, menu, mute and power key without any pause. I will press the buttons Info, menu, mute and power key. The TV will boot up in service menu. Here you can see its first option is highlighted, which is option. Press OK here. And here on the first option there is a factory reset. Press OK if your TV is giving problems, internet disconnecting, applications not working, TV stuck on boot logo and like that. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.